Exercise number 4. Practice with an up strum on all of the offbeats. To help prepare for exercise number 4, we're going to include a few little exercises first. The first one is with our thumb, we are going to tap just on the strings. And we are also going to tap those on the beat. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The idea then is we will then tap on the beat, then on the off beat we will strike up. So it will be tap, strum, 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 tap, strum. So when this is included with the chords, we will have something that sounds like this. Exercise number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, up, 2, and 3, up, 4, up, 1, up, 2, up, 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 3, up, 4, up. Another way that we could do this is on all the beats we can miss. So we can do a bit of an air swing. So we can go miss, up, miss, up, miss, up, miss, up, miss,